Welcome to Napoli. In this video, we will show you how to arrive to Hostel Mancini from the central station Naples, Stazione di Napoli Centrale. We recommend for you to walk to the center of the station and take the escalator going down. If you are confused, don't worry. You can look at the signs for Metro Linea 1, Metro Line 1, just as a reference. Turn left at the hallway. And once again, to make things easy, you can follow Metro Linea 1. You won't be getting on the metro. This is just as a reference. At the halfway point, you can see another sign on your left-hand side, Metro Linea 1, with an arrow pointing to the right. Turn right. Proceed to the escalator and go down. After the escalator, you will be dropped off to the shopping center of Piazza Garibaldi. Continue walking to the opposite corner. Take the escalator, and at Piazza Garibaldi, you can see a statue on your right-hand side. Garibaldi statue. Walk towards it. Proceed to cross the street carefully. At the statue, look for the crosswalk. Proceed to cross the street carefully. In front of you, there is a parking lot and also a big building with a sign that reads Campbell. Go to the left side of the street because Hostel Mancini is located on the left side. As you approach the hostel, on your right-hand side, you'll be able to see a sign that reads Hostel Mancini. That means you have arrived. Look at the building's directory, find Hostel Mancini, ring the doorbell. Someone on our staff will let you into the building. Inside the building, proceed to the elevator. Hostel Mancini is located on the second floor. So press number 2. Once you exit the elevator, turn to your left and our staff will be happy to assist you. Welcome to Hostel Mancini, Naples.